Dear friends, you are welcome to our YouTube channel eGuardian India. Today we are going to discuss about 50 important multiple choice questions with answers of business strategy. These are the MCQ type questions and prepared by eGuardian India. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Let's start the video. Question number 1. The democratic way to implement the strategic change. Right answer is option A. Participation. Question number 2. This is an indirect action method which uses an intermediate change agent in the change process. Right option is B. Networks action. Question number 3. Strategic planning is not a right option is D. All of the above. A. Box of stick. B. Magic wand. C. Forecasting. Question number 4. Strategic planning is mainly concerned with the right option is A. Futurity of present decision. Question number 5. The main emphasis of strategic planning is on planning. Right option is C. Day-to-day basis. Question number 6. According to Dash, an effective or good plan is that it is simple and based on a clearly defined objective. Right option is A. L.F. Urick. Question number 7. A business may grow by. Right option is D. All of the above. A. Increasing its existing lines of business. B. Adding new lines of business. C. Adding new markets. Question number 8. Dash is sine qua non for survival of a business enterprise. Right option is B. Competitiveness. Question number 9. Types of growth strategies are. Right option is D. All of the above. A. Intensive growth strategy. B. Integrative growth strategy. C. Diversification growth strategy. Question number 10. Value is. Right option is C. Both A and B. Option A and B. Amount buyers willing to pay and total revenue. Question number 11. In any business organization, the dash is important if strategic planning are to be implemented as per schedule. Right option is A. Human factor. Question number 12. Analysis of dash is helpful to identify the attitude and behavior of the competitor. Right option is B. Future goals. Question number 13. Strategies and moves of a firm will be influenced by its. Right option is C. Assumptions. Question number 14. Who guide the subordinates for future courses of action with requisite directions? Right option is B. Top management. Question number 15. In an age of increasing specialization, there are a growing need for desk directors and executives who can combine high degree of competence in one functional area with an ability to see the interrelated nature of business problems. The right option is A. Broad gaze. Question number 16. Business is depend on the. Right option is B. Environment. Question number 17. Interest groups of the environment of the firm comprises. Right option is D. All of the above. A. Consumers, B. Suppliers, and C. Creditors. Question number 18. Identify the uncontrollable factors which are influencing the business policies. Right option is D. All of the above. A. Geophysical factors, B. Socio-cultural factors, and C. Demography factors. Question number 19. Employee morale can be boosted only when they are aware. Right option is D. All of the above. A. What to do, B. When and how to do, and C. By whom. Question number 20. Long-term strategy which define the overall character and mission of the organization. Right option is B. Corporate strategy. Question number 21. Dash is considered as the most important strategist responsible to play major role in strategic decision making. Right option is A. CEO. Question number 22. Who has given this definition? Unified comprehension and integrated plan designed to assure that the basic objectives of the enterprise are achieved. Right option is C. GLIC. Question number 23. Dash involves foresight on the expansion and the development of the organization strategy. Right option is B. Short-term strategy. Question number 24. Crisis strategy is also known as. Right option is B. Strategy for survival. Question number 25. Dash is referred as natural strategy. Right option is B. Stability strategy. Question number 26. Dash occurs when an entire company is sold or dissolved. Right option is B. Liquidation. Question number 27. Dash are planned in advance to deal with sudden changes in future. Right option is A. Contingency strategies. Question number 28. Under combination strategy, a company adopts all of the above. A. Stability and growth strategies. B. Stability and retrenchment strategies. Growth and retrenchment strategies. Question number 29. Changes in attitude, advances in education are types of. Right option is B. External changes. Question number 30. Dash refers to the creation of new legal entity by the parent company. Right option is B. Spin-offs. Question number 31. Private companies become public for several reasons. Right option is D. All of the above. A. Raise capital by public issue. B. Respectability. C. Foreign collaboration. Question number 32. Company culture can be traced from. Right option is D. All of the above. A. Company manager behavior. B. Methods of decision making. And C. Overall outlook of the management. Question number 33. Common competitive actions include. Right option is D. All of the above. A. Price changes. B. Promotional measures. And C. Customer service and warranties. Question number 34. Dash are the specified actions suggested to achieve the objectives. Right option is A. Strategies. Question number 35. Dash is concerned with the course of action to fulfill the set objectives. Right option is B. Policies. Question number 36. Main objective of generating the policy is to have dash in the business organization. Right option is A. Smooth working. Question number 37. Success of any business policy depends upon the acceptance of. Right option is D. All of the above. A. Principle, B. Rules, and C. Regulations. Question number 38. Dash reviews the result of the strategies. Right option is B. Board of Directors. Question number 39. An orientation towards unity in the universe. Right option is C. Religious. Question number 40. Manager regards changes in business environment as. Right option is C. Opportunities. Question number 41. Dash does not directly formulate the strategy. Right option is B. Board of Directors. Question number 42. Strategies are devices to reduce dash and dash that are expected on account of complexity of business operations. Right option is C. Business risk and insecurity. Question number 43. Dash strategy concern itself with the immediate goals and dash strategy generally involves foresight. Right option is A. Short term and long term. Question number 44. A company pursues a growth strategy when. Right option is C. Both A and B. A. It enters new business or market. B. Effect measure increase in its current business. Question number 45. Four alternative types of strategy are. Right option is A. Stability, growth, retrenchment, and defensive. Question number 46. Dash and dash are of primary importance to the business firm in consult constantly changing business environment. Right option is A. Contingency strategies and tactics. Question number 47. During a period of recession, dash is suitable while dash is used during the period of economic expansion. Strong competitive position. Right option is B. Stability strategy, growth strategy. Question number 48. There are only two options. Right option is A. Change or sink. Question number 49. Two types of behavioral resistance are right option is A. Inertial resistance, conscious resistance. Question number 50 and last question. Dash refers to the strategy to be followed by a particular business unit and helps to strengthen the competitive position in the market. Right option is B. Business strategy. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please share with your friends on social media and subscribe our channel.